Hey guys, this is Harshita and welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be seeing how to make this chicken tandoor very easily at home. So these are the ingredients required for this recipe. Do take a look. Now without further ado, let's get started. So in a mixing bowl, take half cup of curd. To that add half a spoon of cumin or jeera powder, half a spoon of garam masala, 1/4 spoon of turmeric powder, 1.5 spoon of red chilli or as per your requirement, 1 spoon of coriander or dhanya powder, half a spoon of salt or as per your requirement, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and juice of half a lemon. Now add half a cup of besan or gram flour and mix it well with no lumps. It should look something like this, very smooth. Now to this add 1/4 cup of hot oil. I've used normal vegetable oil. Now give it a good mix. Now to this add 500 grams of boneless chicken and mix it well. Make sure everything is coated well. Now to this add 1 large sized diced capsicum, 1 large sized diced onion and give it a good mix. Everything should be coated well with the batter or marinade. Now refrigerate this for about 15 minutes, at least minimum of 15 minutes. Now let's make the chutney. For that, in a mixie jar add half a cup of Pudina or mint leaves, half a cup of Dhanya or Coriander leaves, 1 green chilli small, 1/4 spoon of salt, 1/4 spoon of Chaat Masala, 4 to 5 spoons of water and blend it into a smooth paste. Now take 4 to 6 spoons of curd or half a cup of curd and add the paste and give it a good mix. It should look something like this. Now add some lemon juice and mix it well and our chutney is done. Now heat up tawa and apply some butter. Now add the chicken pieces and the onion and the diced capsicum and cook it on medium flame for about 4 to 7 minutes. It will take very less time to cook because it's boneless. Should look something like this. Now apply some more butter. Make sure you add butter because it gives a really good taste. Again cook it for 4 to 5 minutes on medium flame. Make sure you cook on all sides, so just saute it for about 2 minutes on high flame, just 2 minutes, not more than that. Now for the oven setup, so you get these barbecue sticks or skewers. This has been given to me with the oven itself, and these are the sticks, skewer sticks. You get these in big sizes, do not use the small ones. So start assembling the onion and the chicken and the capsicum in the same order. So first onion, chicken and then capsicum, do the same. You get barbecue sticks online, so you can buy them, so you can directly grill it on the pan instead, on the flame directly on your gas stove, instead of buying the oven setup, the barbecue setup. So if you don't have an oven, you can do it this way, or you can do it in the tawa way how I showed you. So I'm gonna preheat my oven for about 200 degrees Celsius and I'm gonna cook it in grill mode for 20 to 30 minutes. So this is how it looks and it turned out really yummy. So do try this recipe and let me know in the comments. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to hit the bell button. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.